A block of mass 2 kg is attached to one end of a massless spring whose other end is fixed at a wall. So let's draw the first. A block of mass 2 kg. So a block of mass 2 kg is fixed. To this wall. The spring mass system moves on a frictionless horizontal table. So here is the table. So this mass can move through this. The spring's natural length is 2 meter. So this is 2 meter. This is natural length is 2 meter. And spring constant is 200 Newton per meter. So mass M is equal to 2 kg and spring constant K is equal to 200 Newton per meter. The block is pushed such that the length of the spring becomes 1 meter. So now it is pushed in this direction, so the length becomes 1 meter. So now its position is here. So this length becomes 1 meter. Then released. Now it is released at a distance x meter, that is x less than 2 from the wall, the speed of the block will be. Now when it is released, so it is compressed by 1 meter at this position. The compression is 1 meter. Now when it is released, let's assume its position is somewhere here from the wall, this distance from the, at a distance x from the wall. So when it is at this position, we have to calculate the velocity v. Now at this point the compression is, total distance is 2 and this is x, so 2 minus x, the compression is 2 minus x. So when the compression is 1 meter, the potential energy is half k into 1 square, so compression x, so half x is equal to 1, is equal to, when it is at this position, that is the compression is when 2 minus x, so the potential energy is half k 2 minus x whole square, and if its velocity is v at this point, then kinetic energy is half mv square, and there is no friction, it is frictionless, so no energy is lost. So the total potential energy at this position A is must be equal to the total kinetic energy plus potential energy at point B. So now calculate, half cancels from both the sides. So mv square is equal to k, take k as common, 1 square is 1 minus 2 minus x whole square. So v square is k by m. So k is k by m, calculate k by m, k is 200 and m is 2, that is 200 by 2 is 100. So k by m is 100 into 1 minus 2 minus x whole square. So v is root over of this, so root over of 100 is 10 and root over 1 minus 2 minus x whole square. So this is the answer, that is 10 into root over 1 minus 2 minus x whole square, that is root over, we can write also 10 into 1 minus 2 minus x whole square to the power half. So option 2 is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video.